Hey there, Ohio drivers! Are you overpaying for car insurance? The Buckeye State boasts some of the most competitive rates in the US, with the average full coverage policy costing just $90 a month. That's great news, but finding the absolute best company can feel like navigating rush hour traffic. But don't worry, FreeAdvice.com is here to be your GPS. We've researched the top car insurance companies in Ohio, factoring in discounts, customer satisfaction, and, of course, low insurance prices. When you're ready to shop for coverage, make sure to kick things off with step 1. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and take advantage of our free quote generator tool, which allows you to effortlessly compare the most competitive car insurance rates from the top-notch companies in your specific zip code. Okay, it's time for us to uncover the top contenders for auto insurance in the Buckeye State. But before we explore the tips for scoring cheap auto insurance in Ohio, let's go over the legal requirements. Every state has its own minimum car insurance requirements, and Ohio is no different. To drive legally, you need to carry minimum coverage for bodily injury and property damage liability. Failure to carry these essential coverages can land you in hot water. Trust us, it's not a road you want to travel down. For minimum car insurance coverage, Ohio requires $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident for bodily injury and $25,000 per accident for property damage. That might sound like a lot, but what if you cause a serious accident with medical bills exceeding those limits? You'd be on the hook for the rest. So ensuring you're covered isn't about meeting the legal requirements, it's about being financially prepared for the unexpected. When you're ready to find the perfect insurance that suits your needs and budget, visit FreeAdvice.com. Use our free quote tool to get a list of options from top-rated insurance providers in your zip code. Ohio doesn't mandate any other types of insurance besides bodily injury and property damage liability. This means if you own your car outright, the choice is yours. You can choose to add extra coverages depending on your needs and budget. If your car is financed or leased, you may need to carry collision and comprehensive insurance on top of your required coverage. This creates a full coverage policy that protects your car in case of accidents, theft, fire, and more. But what about everything else? Medical payments, rental car reimbursement, roadside assistance, gap insurance. The list goes on. These are all optional add-on coverages you can choose from depending on your priorities. While staple coverages like collision and comprehensive insurance will be offered by all Ohio car insurance companies, some of the other coverages may not be available across the board. So, if you have your heart set on specific add-on coverages, it's crucial to shop around. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our award-winning quote generator to discover your customized coverage options. It's the easiest way to shop and compare quotes from top providers where you live. But let's also talk about a not-so-fun topic: Ohio laws about DUIs. As you know, driving under the influence comes with serious consequences. And that goes way beyond just a slap on the wrist. We're talking thousands of dollars in fines, court fees, and potential time behind bars. The penalties for DUIs in Ohio vary depending on the number of your offense and whether anyone was injured. Based on that, you could be facing a mix of these penalties: drug or alcohol treatment, points on your license, $400 or more in fines, an ignition interlock device installed in your car, jail time, probation, restricted license plates, a suspended license, an SR22 certificate, which is an extra insurance proof, and even vehicle forfeiture. On top of all that, guess what else gets more expensive after a DUI? Yep, your car insurance. Companies see you as a higher risk, so your rates will skyrocket. The bottom line, if you've got a DUI on your record in Ohio, comparing insurance quotes is crucial. Make a beeline for FreeAdvice.com and use our free car insurance quote search tool to compare rates from top providers and find the most affordable options even if you have a bad driving record. But remember, the best way to avoid these headaches altogether is to always drive safely. Now here's the lowdown on some of the biggest players in Ohio when it comes to minimum auto insurance coverage. The 3 cheapest insurance providers for minimum coverage car insurance in Ohio are Geico at $23 a month, Travelers for just $24, and American Family at $25 monthly. Those rates are a steal compared to the pricier options on the list, like Allstate at $46 a month. which adds up to a significant difference over a year. So how much could you save by choosing wisely? If you went with Geico's rate instead of Allstate's higher monthly cost, you could be pocketing over $270 a year. That's some serious cash you could put to other things instead of going toward insurance premiums. And seeing how rates differ between providers, it's clear that comparison shopping is crucial before making a purchase. This is why you should head to FreeAdvice.com to compare car insurance quotes and discover the most affordable options in your area. Finding the cheapest, most dependable coverage just got a whole lot easier. But what if you want a little extra peace of mind? That's where full coverage comes in. Full coverage bumps up your protection big time, but it also bumps up the price tag. Don't worry though, by shopping around, you can still find a good deal. Full coverage car insurance is often the best choice for most Ohio drivers because it covers repairs for your car, not just the other drivers. Geico, American Family, and Travelers all come in well under the national average for full coverage auto insurance in Ohio. Geico offers coverage at a super low $59 a month. American Family and Travelers aren't far behind at $62 and $63 a month respectively. Compare these affordable options to the pricier ones on the list. Allstate, for example, sits at a hefty $120 a month for full coverage. Sticking with Geico's $59 monthly rate could save you over $720 a year compared to Allstate. As you can see, shopping around can really pay off. To see how much you could save on full coverage, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Simply enter your zip code in our free quote generator, answer a few questions, and see a list of the most affordable full coverage options before your eyes in minutes. Insurance companies look at a whole bunch of factors to set your rate, including your driving record, the car you drive, and even your credit score. Let's see how much your rates can really change depending on your driving history. In Ohio, a clean record can mean scoring a sweet deal with Geico at a super affordable $59 a month. However, a single accident or moving violation can cause your rates to jump. Progressive, for example, shows a significant increase from a clean record at $85 a month to a whopping $161 with one accident. That's a difference of $76 a month, or $912 annually. But the biggest rate hike goes to drivers with a DUI on their record. Nationwide jumps all the way to $233 a month. Yikes! That's nearly double their clean record rate and significantly more expensive than most other companies on the list with a DUI. As you can see, your driving record has a big impact on your car insurance rates. To compare your customized options, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Our free quote tool makes it easy to compare quotes from multiple providers in one convenient place. We've already mentioned some great companies to consider, but even after getting quotes for coverage, there are still several ways to squeeze even more savings out of your Ohio car insurance. Don't forget to apply for car insurance discounts in Ohio. Many discounts aren't given automatically, and with a little effort, you could save 30% or more on your car insurance. Another way to save is by choosing a car that is cheaper to insure. Look for vehicles with good safety ratings, high crash scores, and inexpensive parts that are cheaper to repair. Being a safe driver and maintaining a clean driving record is also key to keeping your car insurance rates down. Also consider increasing your insurance deductible. By raising your deductible, you can decrease your monthly or annual rates. However, don't set it too high, because you'll need to pay the deductible before you get any coverage in the event of an accident. And don't forget the most important step to get the lowest rates. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from multiple companies for free. It's the only way you can know when you've found the best deal. Alright folks, that's it for Ohio car insurance. Now you have the inside scoop on finding the best rates and saving some serious cash. And to ditch the guesswork and compare rates from multiple companies in one place, head over to FreeAdvice.com. There, you will find a free quote comparison tool that is 100% free and simple to use. In minutes, you will find the perfect coverage at the price you want. Our website makes it simple to get quotes, compare rates, and explore options from the best Ohio providers all in one place. Seriously, it's that easy. Before you go, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss insurance insights straight from the experts. Plus, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. So share your story so others can learn from your experience, or ask any questions you might have about car insurance in Ohio. We've also got a ton of other resources on our channel that could answer your questions too, including a video on scoring cheap car insurance quotes right from your phone. Spoiler alert, the savings can be huge. So be sure to check that out as well. And last but not least, if you know someone who's shopping around for a new car insurance policy, share this video with them, especially if they're considering any of the companies we talked about today. The more we share the knowledge, the more everyone wins. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.